So, ito guys, yung mga bowl. Ito ang gusto kong bowl, oh. Set of 3 glass bowls.
Where's my mini car?
Painted it.
Okay, there's a mini car.
Okay. So, ito yung mga kapitbahay natin. Para magkaroon ako ng idea kung ano ba yung mga binibenta ng ating mga kapitbahay. Yung daming baby bottles. $65 for this. Ano to? Used na baby bottles. Okay. Para magkaroon tayo ng idea. Yung pa dito, kaka-set up lang. Ganda rin tong setup niya. Gusto ko yung salamin. Mga ganito yung setup. Okay. I need something like this. Yeah. And then ito. Uy. Totally pampered. Let's see kung magkano. Oh. Vintage cosmetic. $12.99. Ganda, no? Ganun pala mga plasyan. Para magkaroon ng idea. Ito naman. Table. $34.99. Ay, meron din. Ito yung mga katunggali ko. May benta rin siyang ganito. Okay. Uy. May mga ganito rin. Okay. Ito pa. Tina, mahal to guys. $3.99 lang. So, next time dito ako bibili ng pads. Wow, look at that. $49. Wow, that's a lot.
She can sell them so.
Yeah, this. I kind of want to buy them. I'll think about it. And then put it separately.
There's so many like plastic cards.
That's a lot.
Whoa, Dad.
Ito ang kailangan ko, guys. Ito ang kailangan. Ay, may mga magaganda rin siyang damit. Oh. Uy, I like this one. Medium. $7.99. Ayan, oh. Maganda tong isa na to kasi takip yung likod.
That's a Ziploc.
Ay, $8 pala to. Pero maganda siya, guys, kasi takip yung puwet.
Ziploc big bags. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, yan, ang mga kapit balay. Ito pa. Oh,
Ziploc brand.
mga toys din. Okay, come on guys. Let's see pa. What's in here? Ang dami na guys nagtitinda. Uy, North Face. Oh. North Face $10 lang. Brando ba to? If this is, if this is real, ano to? Anong size kaya nito? North Face. Size... Wait, $10. Kaso mo, anong size niya? Teka lang. Look, North Face only $10. It has It has a... Ika siya sa akin. Ito pa. You know what? This looks familiar. This is from Vendor Mall.
Yeah.
Newburgh.
Yeah.
It looks familiar. Wala pang setup, no? Kaya nito wala pang setup. Ito yung kailangan ko. Ganito, guys. Ito yung kailangan ko. Ang dami ng ito crochet. Wow, puno na siya. Hala, hanggang dito na guys, puno na. Ito pa, may aisle pa dito. Dito pa yung aisle. Hala, mapupuno na. Oo. Hanggang doon na lang. Pag napuno yun, tapos na. Kuya Toys, I like this.
Build
Wow.
your own vacuum.
Build your own.
You try that. Swat and scoop.
What is that? For what?
Not here.
Usually scoop
Instructions.
spiders. For
What?
spiders. How much is this? $3. Pow. Ito may bakante pa dito. This area of limits. Please don't shop back here. Ano dito? Of limits. Okay guys. Ganda ng mga setup. Uy. Look at this guys. How many aisles I have? Wow. Ito yung ating mga katunggali. Ito pa yung mga there are open ano pa. Marami pa palang spaces na open pa. Ito pa oh. Mga ano. I like the smell of wood. Ito. Mga ano siya. Handmade. Handmade items. Nice. Okay. Ito pa guys yung iba pang aisle. Mga candle. Ito yata, bebe. This is the $75. I kinda like in this area. But oh, nice. Oh, ito vintage. Look, vintage tin cans. Ano ito? Tingnan ko nga. Oh, kakaroon ako ng idea mga vintage toys.
Wow. This
Oregano.
French's.
Oh, yeah. French's.
That's the one that makes some onion rings.
Oh, yes. Yeah, French's
Oregano.
onions. Like onion.
Ground ginger.
Oh, yeah. What is that?
War-
Tape?
Waterproof tape.
Oh.
Whole cloves. Parsley with vacuum.
Mga toys, no? Okay, mga toys naman dito. Oh, may mini brands.
Vintage band.
How much is the... Oh, wow. $7.75. $7.75. This one
Ever
is...
seen this? $4.75.
Oh, ito $75. Oh, okay. Ito pa, may bakante. Wow, this is ano?
This is the 3D.
Handmade artwork. Thrift and collectibles.
Look
Yeah.
at this.
Is that 3D?
3D printed cup.
$5. Cactus.
$5.
Wow, he probably has a big machine.
$7.
Wow. That's
Look
cool.
at that.
Oh, wow. 3D printer. Maybe he has a big 3D machine. Harley Davidson. Mahal to. Magkano to? 30. Okay, Levi's. Mga dyan.
Daddy, look.
Nice.
This is made with cans.
Yeah.
$10.
Yep.
Look. It works.
Nice. Ayan guys, hindi ko napuntahan yung ibang aisle. Like dito, pero may mga bakante pa oh. Oh, gaya nito oh, bakante pa to. Yeah, dito pa, bakante pa. Marami pa palang bakante. So, eto meron na to. So, marami nang may bakante pa. Pero wala pa masyadong, wala pang setup. Is this the second one or third aisle? Wow, that's nice.
This real seed. So this is $3.
Uy, Harley Davidson. How much? 20? 26.
Harley Davidson eraser.
20 $20. Oh, it has it's a thermometer.
And the person said, "Can you pick up?"
Okay guys, nakauwi na kami. Ang bilis ng dumilim. So, okay guys, so bukas na ulit tayo magkikita-kita. Okay guys.